Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so today's video, this is a Dollar Tree hidden gems. I absolutely love these videos. You guys absolutely love these videos, so it is just a perfect combination. I cannot wait to show you guys what I have found this time, so let's just jump right in. It is officially Easter at the Dollar Tree, you guys. They have got eggs. They have got baskets. They have got dyeing sets. They have got anything you could possibly think of that you need for Easter or for your Easter basket. They've got it at the Dollar Tree. They've also got egg holders. How cute is this little egg holder, you guys? And then not only that, the adorable little gnomes. Are you kidding me? These are so adorable. Like, oh my gracious, too stinking cute, you guys. But seriously though, they have got a little bit of everything, and this is in the regular Dollar Tree section. Like, all of this is $1.25. They have got different signs, they've got banners, they've got you name it, they've got it for Easter, I promise you. So go check that out right now at the Dollar Tree for all of your Easter needs. Now, on to the plus section, I found some sets of socks. Now, they had Friends, they had Ted Lasso, they had Monopoly, they had Avatar, Spider-Man. Like, they had different brands. They had Nickelodeon, just different, like, characters, I guess you would say. And they all went with, like, the shirts. Very cute. Very, very cute. Now, while I was in this section, I found some scrubs. These are like for the doctor's office scrubs. If you work somewhere where you have to wear these, guys, for $5, I think it's a pretty good deal. Now, I wasn't sure just how much scrubs cost, so I looked them up on Amazon, and the same exact one was $12.97 on Amazon. So go grab yours at the Dollar Tree for $5, you guys. Now, also in the plus section, they had lanterns, some really, really cute lanterns. They had these more modern-y looking lanterns, and then they also had the like traditional style lantern. Comes with a candle already in it. These are solar powered. Very cool for $1.25. Okay, so Dollar Tree's got all kinds of rugs and stuff now in their plus section. But they even have the anti-fatigue kitchen mats. Right? Like, I think I'm going to have to get one of these. They got several of them. They got black, gray, and then this print for $5. Let's grab a couple of these and see what they look like in my kitchen. And by the way, I found these on Amazon. They started at $15.97. Okay, so next up on the list is going to be some beauty items that I actually found at the Dollar Tree recently that I was blown away to find, actually, because they're really trendy items. And for the Dollar Tree to have them was just a little shocking, but I'm very excited about these. So let me show you what I found. Okay, the self-stay Velcro rollers. Have you seen these? On Amazon, you can get a 12-pack for $13.49, you guys. We have got in the beauty section from the Dollar Tree, we have got these Velcro rollers. These are awesome. These are so super trendy right now, along with these hair clips, which are also very trendy right now. I was very excited to see these at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has got it going on right now. I'm going to kind of demonstrate, use these a little bit, and let's see just how well they work. Okay, so for the Velcro rollers, I'm just going to take a couple sections of my hair and kind of roll them up. I mean, obviously my hair's already curled and fixed, and you want to use these like as you're curling your hair. You would do a curl and then roll it up. Do a curl, like with your curling iron, you would do a curl and then roll it up. Do a curl with the curling iron and then roll it up while it's still warm. That way it sits there and cools good and tight. You know what I mean? And then you can leave it like that while you put your face on, or while you do, maybe you've got a face mask you want to put on, go ahead and put your hair in rollers and leave it until the last minute, the very last thing you do, and then pull your rollers out and kind of run your fingers through your hair. Maybe use a, let's see, maybe use like a wide tooth comb and just brush your curls out. That's what I do. Anyways, I am going to do a couple little sections though with the roller. I think these are a great size. I wish they were a little bit bigger, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. And they also had a smaller size at the Dollar Tree. They may have a bigger one. I don't know. These are the only ones that I found. So I'm just going on what I saw while I was there. But they did have a smaller one as well. Oh yeah. Yeah, it literally stuck just like it's supposed to. It's better to work kind of in smaller sections, just like you would do with your curling iron, Alrighty. So I am for sure fixing to start using these. When I do my hair from now on, I am absolutely going to start using these because I think these are fantastic. They're so simple to do. That's the thing. They're so simple. And then look. They're in there. They are in there. So, very cool. I like this. I like this a lot. I look like a crazy person right now. I don't care. I like this a lot. I love that these were at the Dollar Tree, you guys. This is awesome. All right, next up, we have got the hair clips from the Dollar Tree. Guys, these have gone so viral over on TikTok. Exactly the same thing on Amazon. You get 4 for $7.99. Are you serious? Okay, next up are going to be the hair clips. Guys, these are so neat. They do not leave a crease in your hair where you clip them, so they're perfect for when you're getting ready or you're styling your hair or maybe doing your makeup, washing your face, whatever. You can pull your hair back out of your face, and these will not leave a crease where you have placed them. They also hold really well in the hair. So let me show you these. Okay, so I just got up and I need to wash my face. I actually fell asleep last night with my makeup on, so I'm going to clean my face off. But I thought I would use the hair clips from the Dollar Tree. Now, these are neat because you can clip them like this, and then you also have this clip. Not totally sure how to use that part, but I did think that was pretty neat to point out on these. So I'm just going to pull my hair back like so. Super simple. Too cute. These work really, really well. And they just clip it back. But the best part is that they do not leave a crease where you've placed the clip. So, very cool. I'm just going to clip them back and then wash my face real quick. But I did want to show you guys how well these work and like how simple it is to use them. So anyways, go check out the hair clips at the Dollar Tree, guys. This is a good price on these. Very good price on these. All right, guys. These are the Ioni Lash Angeles 3D Faux Mink lashes. Guys, I talk about the Ioni lashes all the time. Any kind of get readies with me, anything, I talk about these lashes. I found some on Amazon and they were $7.49 for one pair of these lashes, and they are such fantastic lashes. Okay, guys, next up are these absolutely gorgeous lashes. Have you ever, hello, from the Dollar Tree, you guys? Like, seriously, these are so stinking cute. They are a half lash is what they are. And this here I have in front of them. This is the lash glue. This is a liner. This is actually an eyelash liner glue, lash glue liner, 2-in-1. And it is also from the Dollar Tree, you guys. Now, I didn't have this one in the package because I've already used it once, but it is from the Dollar Tree. All right, so I'm going to put these lashes on, just kind of show you guys what they look like afterwards, how easy they are to apply, and we're just going to check out these lashes. But guys, I cannot get over these. I think they are absolutely stunning. Like, I love these. Love, love, love these. Okay, guys, so I am here with my best friend, Paisley. She's actually in here with me, and we are going to be doing, say hi, Paisley.
Hi.
You want to lean in and say hi? See there, she's so cute. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is my lashes today. I'm very excited about this. I'm going to be using the lashes from the Dollar Tree. These are the Ioni Half Lash. And then I've also got the 2-in-1 lash liner glue, you guys. This is so cool, and it is from the Dollar Tree. Look at these lashes, y'all. These are nice. Like, this is a very, very nice set of lashes. I'm very impressed. So I'm going to put these on and just show you guys how easy this is to do, okay? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take the lash liner glue, and I'm just going to line the inside like that right on my water line, I guess is what you call that. And since it's a half lash, I'm just going to add that to the back half. And I just add it right over the top of my eyeshadow. Like, I've never had any trouble with it, so. Okay. Now, I'm going to give that a little bit of a blow with my fan, just for a second, just to let it get tacky. And then we're going to go in with the lashes.
I just noticed that.
How stinking cute are these, you guys? Seriously, so cute, and they were so simple to use. They are so simple to use, you guys. They are darling. I love it. I love it. Go get you some lashes from the Dollar Tree, seriously. Even if you just want to, like, try them out and play with them, and that's the perfect place to start is the Dollar Tree, because they are cheap, and it does take a little bit of a learning curve when it comes to lashes. They're super simple if you'll just get in there and try to do it, but you do have to practice. So buying them from the Dollar Tree is the perfect place to start. But even if you are a connoisseur of lashes like myself, they are perfect because these lashes are nice. Like, these are good looking lashes. All right, go get you some from the Dollar Tree. Okay, you guys, I have one last beauty care item from the Dollar Tree. This is the Be Pure Hydrating Lip Mask. This says Night Lip Mask. It is hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and shea butter, 2-in-1 lip mask and balm. So, very cool. I thought I would try this on while I've just washed my face. Now, this says it is a nighttime lip mask, but you can also use it as a lip balm. So, now that my face is clean, I'm going to try this out. We're going to see what it smells like. We will see how well it coats the lips, if it is moisturizing, just all those good things. So, let's try this out. Also, one last thing, if you're looking for something like this on Amazon, you're going to pay exactly. So go to the Dollar Tree, you guys, and get it for $1.25. Okay, so I've got the Be Pure Nighttime Lip Mask plus Lip Balm. Let's see. Let's check this out. Oh, I already like the applicator. It's got the little curve to it. I like that. It's actually colored. I thought it was going to be clear, but it has actually got a little bit of a tint to it. I don't think it's enough of a tint that it's going to you're going to be able to see it on your lips, but I can't really smell it. Let's see. Oh, wow. It's thick. It's very thick. It's kind of got a greasy consistency to it. And it's got a nice scent. I don't really know what it smells like, but it's got a nice scent. It's almost like a berry scent, berry flavored. I don't know. Go check it out at the Dollar Tree. This would be nice to put on every night before you go to bed. Like, I use the Aqua 4. Let me show you guys. I put this on my lips every night before I go to bed. And this is fantastic. But if you can find this at the Dollar Tree, go try this because it is definitely going to be moisturizing. It is very, very thick and very greasy. So go check it out. So next up, we have got the die cuts from the Dollar Tree. Now, first of all, I'd never seen these at the Dollar Tree before. I'm not totally sure exactly how you use them, but I did find some on Amazon. Obviously, you're going to get more on Amazon, but they were $11.99. But like I said, I'm not totally sure how you use these. I'm just really shocked to have seen them at the Dollar Tree. I thought that was very, very cool. So if you find these, grab some. Now, on the aisle with like the car supplies, hardware supplies, I found the T-Rex Fiercely Strong tape cutter, you guys. Like, what? Why does the Dollar Tree even have these? Hello? Because look at how much they were on Amazon, for heaven's sakes. Are you kidding me? And then for the Dollar Tree to have them, that is just wild to me. So grab one of these for sure. Mountain Dew, Apple Jacks, York. They've even got Raisin Bran. How stinking cute is that? Hershey's Kisses. Bubble Yum. They also have these. Now, when I found these on Amazon, you got a 8-pack for $9.99. I grabbed 2 sets of these cute no-show socks. I thought these would be perfect. I was in need of some new socks, and for the price, you just cannot beat that. $1.25 for 2 pairs. I'm going to slip these on. I will show you just how high they go up on the ankle. Like, they don't at all. They go around the foot. Because they are no-show socks. So anyways, I'm going to put these on and just show y'all how well they fit. We'll see if they have any thickness to them or if they are paper thin. We're just going to check out all of that. So let me slip these on real quick. Okay, so these are actually perfect. I love where they hit because when you got your shoes on, you're not going to see the sock at all. So they actually hit perfectly. They come just right where they're supposed to. They're pretty thin. There's not a lot of thickness to them, but I think they're perfect for $1.25. These are good socks. I like these. And you get 2 pair in each pack. So yeah, I'm going to definitely pick up a couple more packs of these. These are good socks. I like them. Now, last but not least, while I was on the organization aisle at the Dollar Tree where they have all their containers and bins and whatnot, I found these very cool collapsible baskets, you guys. So they collapse down into a small, just flat plastic basket, or you can pop it open and then you've got a regular basket with a handle. Very cool. Found them on Amazon. They were $6.99 for 1 or $12.99 for 2. Just a really cool item at the Dollar Tree. So go check this out if you find it. All right, guys, that is it for today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed these Dollar Tree hidden gems. I always have such a blast making these videos for you guys, and y'all seem to like them. So, as always, thank you so much for being with me, and y'all have a blessed day.